New homeostasis, originally a biological term that refers to a system of a body that maintains the sustainability of a physical human body. Now, also Inscape translates into a new context of basically the balance between the overwhelming presence of the material civilization and the dire lack of our spiritual, intellectual, and mental capability to handle with it to the right direction.
The title speaks really to the fragility of the human spiritual energy and in connection with the evolution of the world that's around us.
I mean, they share a common vision in the sense that they want the audience to experience something through the artist and their performances. So in a way, it's a way to provoke something for the audience to either a reflection or a collective experience.
We have kind of to the reality that is shaping so much of what we live, and part of that is also informed by the disruptive technologies and global political events that are largely demanding kind of criticism and attention from artists and all of those alike.
The biggest attraction of Inscape project is express the narrative through the performance as an artist about humanity after the pandemic, which is one of the critical issues that everyone living in this planet has.
And it invites the artist to actually relate to a theme, and it encapsulates a sort of spirit in time that is quite unique, maybe more focused. So I think it's quite interesting the way Inscape works as a sort of a lab that is quite specific in time. And it's quite complementary with what Mutech.
I've been learning so much, and we've been learning so much about how to create this piece. And now, because the water is always running in loop and is coming from the ceiling, dropping on the floor.
We are super happy to be part of that festival because the artistic line is so clear that it allowed us to go really deep in exploring the meaning of what homeostasis is, what our relationship with nature is, and that allowed us to create a new piece of which we're extremely proud.
Participating in the Inscape festival is to me an opportunity to connect with other artists who questions the same approach to homeostasis.
So eventually, that it became a good opportunity to expand my creation field.
Yes, my impression about Inscape's second edition is experimental and avant-garde platform on the edge of the contemporary art and music floor. So therefore, it is unstructured and undefinable scalability is more effective than other platforms.
When we had the This is Quebec showcase in Tokyo, so we were quite happy to be contacted to explore this new project together. And it's been quite an interesting adventure. Getting to know, I mean, in a sense, two different cultures, getting to learn how to work together in a very abstract way also, with like a weekly meeting for more than a year. This idea of working under theme and getting artists to, let's say, develop their work in relation to that theme was quite a new process for us.
Yeah, visiting and having the opportunity to disseminate our work and meet like-minded artists and creatives around the world.
So I do hope this Inscape second edition New Homeostasis not only become a membrane between the creative dialogue between art, science, technology and society, but also, as I say, a point or watershed moment for the audiences to go inside their inner space, inner landscape through the introspection and find a new meaning of a new homeostasis in their own way. Thank you very much.